I will show you how to create a talking AI avatar for free.
So let's talk about giving your brand a voice, literally. With AI avatars, you can leverage your business and brand. Here's why it's a game changer. Creating engaging content is tough, especially if you don't want to be in front of the camera. But what if I told you there's a free and easy solution? Imagine having an assistant or a digital twin speaking for you, engaging your audience and bringing a new dimension to your brand. And I'm also going to be showing you 2 separate ways to do this, including a way to not have a watermark on your avatar video. You're going to want to stick around. So let's go. So now we're going to dive into Canva. It's a free and easy to use tool, but now it's developing a lot of AI features that are really helpful. And I'll put the link in the description in case you want to follow along. So once you get your account set up, you're going to want to go to the left and hit apps. This will bring you to all the trending apps available right now. But the app we're looking for is the DID AI Presenter. So you should be able to type in D-ID and it should pop right up for you. There it goes. Let's click that. So once we click that, we're going to hit new design and then we're going to select video. Once you get in here on the left, it's going to show you a gallery of AI avatars that you can use. So I'm going to go with this guy right here. In this case, we're going to use the enter text option. Then we're going to go to the section that says, what should they say? This is where you'll enter their script or what you would want them to say. So I'm going to use the same script I used earlier in the video, but you can literally type anything you want or use a chat bot like ChatGPT or Bard. But once you enter what they should say, you can now pick a language. We're just going to go with English today. So next you're going to go and choose a voice. So the voice is separate from the AI avatar. So it's important that you choose a voice that you think will match the AI avatar that you chose. Next option is to choose the style. So there's a variety of styles that you could choose. Today I'm going to go with excited. So before you generate, you have the option to preview the speech. So let's go ahead and do that with this one.
In this video, I will show you how to create a talking AI avatar for free.
So if you like how that sounds, then you could go ahead and generate. And just to give you a quick background on this app, it's basically a DID plugin that they're using with Canva. So you may not need to create an account unless you go over the limit, but there's plenty of free credits to play around and get the job done. Now once you're ready, you can go ahead and generate the talking AI avatar. This usually doesn't take long, about a few seconds or a minute or two. Okay, our AI avatar has downloaded. Let's see how it looks.
In this video, I will show you how to create a talking AI avatar for free. Let's talk about giving your brand a voice, literally. With AI avatars like me, you can leverage your business and brand. Here's why we're a game changer for you.
Okay, that was nice. I like that. So as you can see, it creates a nice AI avatar that says whatever you want it to say. So this should now open up your mind to a variety of things and use cases for this AI avatar. I'm talking commercials, ads, digital skits. Like you could get really creative with this. It's really based on what you want to do with it. So I just want to show you a quick use case for this AI avatar that we just created. I went and got a background video from a website called Pixabay. I then went ahead and uploaded it to Canva and put it as the background for my AI talking head video. So let's go ahead and see how this looks.
In this video, I will show you how to create a talking AI avatar for free. Let's talk about giving your brand a voice, literally. With AI avatars like me, you can leverage your business and brand.
Okay, so you see how cool that was, and we only did it in a couple minutes. You can get really creative and really build out something crazy. And of course you could adjust the sizes or add more things to it, like designs, elements, text, like a subscribe button. You could adjust that if you need to. You could add text like this. So yeah, there's a bunch of designs and edits you could add to this through Canva, even some audio for the background. Like all you would have to do is hit apps and then go to audio and then find the audio that you'd like to use. I'm gonna go ahead with this one, and all you would have to do is drag it down here and line it up with the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a talking AI avatar
There you go.
for free.
Alright, so let's get into method number 2. It includes a way to not have the watermark be seen in the video. But before we go any further, let me tell you about the Tech Universe Network community. It's a vibrant spot where we share tips, tricks, and the latest tech. Join us, it's completely free and a great place to grow in tech and AI together. Link down below in the description. Okay, so let's get into the next one. So we'll be using a combination of two tools, one for voiceovers, which will be 11 Labs, and the other for the actual talking head video. Alright, so let's get into it. First, we're going to head to 11labs.io, and here we're going to be able to generate AI voices for free. So you may need to sign up for an account. It's free. I'm just going to sign into my account. So once you sign in, you should be met by this web page. So you're going to see a big text box. This is where you can put in your script or whatever you want the AI to say. So I'm going to go ahead and use the one I've been using from earlier. Gonna go ahead and copy and paste that. So let's take a step back and look at our settings. So 11 Labs has a few models you could use. So you can go ahead and look through them and see which one fits the AI voice that you're gonna choose. Sometimes when you pick the AI voices, it actually suggests what kind of model you should use. They have multilingual, which they say has 29 languages. They have English V2, English V, 11 Turbo. So, look into all their use cases and see what's best for you. Then you could go ahead and pick an AI voice that you want from the 11 Labs selection. So they have a variety of traits, languages, and tones that you can pick from. I'm going to stick with the default Rachel voice that they already had here. And I'm going to go down and hit generate, and this should take a few seconds to generate.
In this video, I will show you how to create a talking AI avatar for free. Let's talk about giving your brand a voice. Literally, with AI avatars like me, you can leverage your business and brand. Okay,
there we go. That's what we needed. So to the bottom right, we can go ahead and download that because we're going to need it for the next step for our talking head video. Next, we're going to use a tool called Talking Head. Once you get to the website, no need to log in, sign in, or anything. All you got to do is click Generate Talking Head. So it should take us to the first step, which is to select our avatar. You can use one of their default avatars, or you can upload your own. I'm gonna go ahead and pick one of their default avatars. And I'm gonna go to next step. Step 2 is to pick an audio, text, or video so we can generate that animation. So since we generated an AI voiceover already with 11 Labs, let's go ahead and pick audio. And then hit upload audio. So you can drop the file down here, or you could just upload it from your files. Once the audio is uploaded, go ahead and hit next step. So you can choose how you want the AI cropped out. If you want a bigger picture or the whole image, go ahead and select it here. So I'm gonna go with the crop version just to get a talking head avatar. Next, you could go to generate talking head. So this takes about a few seconds, not long at all. So we're gonna wait and see how it goes. Okay, so that took literally like 30 seconds. So that was quick. So we can easily try it out just by clicking it.
In this video, I will show you how to create a talking AI avatar for free.
Okay, so that worked well. You have options to share it on Facebook, Twitter, or through a link. And then you could actually remove the watermark officially through here, this toggle right here. But that's gonna include you having to sign in and pay. So remember, I promised a method or technique for the watermark not being there, and I still got you. So I'm gonna go ahead and download it as is. Okay, so once that's downloaded, we're gonna use an app called CapCut to edit the video. So to access this, you could either use CapCut.com, download it on your phone in the App Store, or download it for your PC. I have the version for PC, which I'm gonna use right now. So first thing you're gonna do is open up CapCut, new project, and then import your project. So I'm gonna hit import and select the AI video that we just created. All right, so once it's imported, you can add it to the track by either pressing the plus sign or dragging it straight down. So we're gonna drag it, and there it goes.
In this video, I will show you how to create.
So the trick here is gonna be to scale it so the watermark is not showing. Best way to do that, you can go to the right up here, so you can increase the scale. You can also adjust the actual picture if need be, which I don't want to do right now because I just scaled it pretty well. All right, let's check it out.
In this video, I will show you how to create a talking AI avatar for free. Let's talk about giving your brand a voice. literally.
Perfect, so no watermark, no problem. But do keep in mind how you're using this. You're gonna wanna adhere to the rules and policies of the website and how they deal with watermarks. It really depends how you plan to use it. As far as you actually monetizing it, I would suggest looking at the rules of the website to make sure that's crystal clear. Another tip is you could also use an AI video enhancer or any video enhancer that you find on the internet, whether free or paid, to enhance the quality of this video to make it look fresher. So today we seen firsthand how we could pair AI tools together and come out with crazy content. These tools not only elevate your brand and content, but open up the possibilities for creativity and more engagement. So don't miss out on any more tech breakthroughs or guides. Hit subscribe, give this video a like, and hit the notification bell to stay in tune. Until next time.